welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, I hate to sound like I have attachment issues, but thank you for coming back. And if this is your first time on my channel, I'd like to take a moment of silence for you while you subscribe. Oh my gosh. Okay, so like the title of the video says, today I am talking about how to prepare for a beauty pageant. My name is Mojabeng Ndebele. I am a pageant girl myself. I have held multiple titles, which included a national title and 3 international titles. I work occasionally as a pageant coach. So let's get to it. The first thing you need to do to prepare properly for a beauty pageant is to center your headspace. I cannot stress enough how important it is that you be in the right mental state, because one of the girls could walk in all fly on their high heels and all confident and suddenly make you feel like all of your efforts were for nothing, make you feel like you are nothing. So you don't want such feelings. You need to have a strong why. Why did you enter the pageant? For example, if you are an advocate for, say, people living with disabilities, and you need a title to elevate you to spaces where things are easier and simpler for you to, to do for your organization or for the organizations that you are an advocate for. You want the title to elevate you to spaces where funding is easy to acquire. So hold on to that, because you need it. When the going gets tough and you want to give up, you think about your why, and immediately you have centered your headspace. You are back to the space that you were in when you decided to enter the pageant, which was a space of peace, a space of loving yourself, a space of feeling beautiful, a space of confidence. Part of having your state of mind centered is that you are not going to be the girl that every girl thinks about and says, how pompous. You don't want to be that girl. You don't want to be the girl that thinks she's the prettiest, Yeah, you can think that, but in your head, of course. But every girl, FYI, every girl that's there is beautiful. They're very beautiful in their own way, and they are confident. For them to have stepped out of their house and entered that pageant means that they're confident and they believe that they have what it takes to beat you. So you don't want to be the pompous one. You never be pompous. You are never the girl that torments others and makes others feel small. You don't want to be that person, because if you are that person, then you do not even deserve to be called a beauty queen. Yeah, sadly. Have something to hold on to. Do you pray? Do you meditate? Do you read a book? Do you do yoga? Do you sing? Do you... Whatever it is that you do that gets you into a calm space, you want to hold on to that, because it can get crazy being a part of a pageant. Even before you are before the actual pageant, it's already crazy, because you're getting to meet the girls. Parts of you are saying you're not good enough, or you're thinking, I'm so great and I'm going to do this, and then that overwhelms you as well. A lot of anxiety. So you need to hold on to whatever it is that keeps you calm. Like I said, center your headspace. So yeah, being in the right state of mind is the best tool for you. Nobody is gonna shift your focus. Nobody's gonna dissolve you into their own opinions of anything, really. Nobody is gonna change how you feel about what you came into the pageant feeling, Nothing is gonna change who you are. You want to get into a pageant as who you are and walk out as a better version of yourself, not as a person that was broken down because of what other people believe or what other people brought to the table or how other people were. You also need to be in a good headspace, because you have to understand that having a title does not entitle you to people's respect, people's empathy, good treatment from people, or people bowing down to your every demand or every need or whatever you think that you are entitled to. Who do you think you are? Selecting your outfits is very important. What color suits you? What kind of gown suits you? Do you look good in a fishtail? Do you look good in a cocktail dress? Do you look good in a mermaid dress? Do you look good in a tutu? Do you look good in high-waisted dresses? Ask for opinions from people who you really, really trust. And most importantly, what do you feel good in? What do you look good in? I feel like, you know what, even though there's this understanding that if a person does not look so great in what they're wearing, it's because maybe they don't have a good sense of style or whatever. But no, you know when you look good. You can tell if you look mediocre good, and you know when you look, yeah, this is my best. This is my best look. This is me at my finest. We all know, because we can feel it in here. We can feel it. You know when you feel like you are the queen bee of the whole world. We all know that. So what do you look good in? Which colors do you look good in? You don't want to wear anything that's going to make you look too dark or too light or anything that is not nice. Don't over accessorize. You don't want to be a Christmas tree. You want to be super appealing when you're on stage, because the judges are looking at you. They're looking at how you look in outfits. They already see you as a Miss whatever or a Mrs. whatever the pageant is. So you must be a person that can literally rock anything. So because they will not be able to see that you can rock anything when you're on stage, then rock what you can. Pick your best color, pick your best outfit and wear that. And in the fashion runway section of the pageant, while you're picking your clothes for that, please stop with this thing of carrying a blazer on your shoulder and turning and throwing it, and all of that shebang that usually happens. Please stop with that. Just stop it. Okay, it's overdone and it's overrated. Just leave it. Okay, try something else, please. Your walk. Oh my gosh, I really miss my time on stage. Oh my. Anyway, work on your best walk. The judges are looking for grace in a beauty queen. They're looking for beauty. They want to see your personality. More than anything, they want to see who you are just through how you walk on stage. So work on that. When you're in an evening gown, the judges want royalty. They want the Queen of England. They want to see you on a throne. They want to see you on that throne already. And when you're in a swimsuit or in the fashion category, they want a combination of fierce and sexy. They want sass. Unless you're in a teen competition. Your turns are very important. This I also recommend that you do in your evening gown, because I've witnessed a few falls on stage and I gotta say it's ugly. It's not very easy to get up from that. But understand that it's inevitable. Somebody must fall off stage. I mean, the dresses we wear are way too fancy, way too puffy, way too big. But you know what? You don't want to be the one that falls. So practice in your evening gown and do your turns and make sure that you are so good with your turn. If there's a girl in front of you and she does her turn and the audience goes crazy over that turn, you don't want to try it too. So work on yours and perfect it. Be confident in it and know that you chose the turn that is the best. So whatever you see in front of you on stage does not change your mind. You don't want to try a turn for the first time on stage in an evening gown. You don't want to do that. Or in any outfit, really. You don't. Because we can tell when it wasn't prepared. Unless you are like super sleek and good. Really, really good. So don't try anything new on stage. Do not try anything new. I cannot say this enough. Do not try anything new on stage. Work on your body. Okay, I will upload a video on how to get your body ready for a photo shoot, right? So watch that video for more tips on how to get your body ready for a beauty pageant. You want to be the best version of yourself when you go for a pageant. You want to feel as confident as ever. It's not the abs that are going to make you win. It's not the toned legs that are going to make you win. No. What is going to make you win is your confidence because of how you know you look. Because when you look good, when you know you look good, that is going to boost your confidence to 100, baby. And that's what we want. That's what we're here for. Now, working on your body also helps you stand tall. You know, something about feeling tall that makes you feel like, I got this. I'm going to win. I got it on the bag. Work on your body all the time. Constantly work on your body. Doesn't matter how great you think it is, but then maintain that greatness. Listen to your coach. If she or he says change this or tweak here, work on this, then do that 100%, 110%, because coaches are very, very fair. They want the best for you. We think if you got out of your house and entered a pageant, it means there is greatness inside you. You just need the right push for that greatness to come out. Get a makeup artist or get a makeup artist to teach you how to do proper makeup. You don't want to do the cat eye when it's unnecessary. You don't want to do the smoky eye when it's inappropriate. You don't want to have too many colors on your face at a beauty pageant while you're already wearing a very colorful gown or most likely a very colorful swimsuit. So you need a very good makeup artist, or you need a makeup artist to teach you how to be a makeup artist yourself for yourself on the day. So if a makeup artist is being provided for you by the pageant, which is most likely, find out who the makeup artist is beforehand and check out if you like their looks. And if you don't, get a makeup artist for yourself. Do your makeup before you get to the pageant. Hairstyle. Go for something as simple as you can think of. That is the safest bet. Go simple. A nice, long, simple wig is it's a very safe bet. If you are gonna lock in hair extensions, they better look like your hair color. Okay. Now the questions. It's smart for you to research on generic questions that are normally asked at beauty pageants and practice how you would answer those questions if you get to that point where you will be asked questions on stage, and practice what you would say, practice how you would say it, and please work on your reactions, because you don't want to be that person who looks very strange when they shocked by a question, or if you don't understand a question, or yeah, please repeat the question for me. No, composure. You want to lead with grace the entire pageant. I am, however, preparing a video on the top 10 generic questions that are asked at beauty pageants, and I will post that as well, so you can be on the lookout for that video. But for now, do your research, and like I said before, you know what, being a beauty pageant queen needs a lot from you. You need a very solid support system, because you're going to need them a lot. I mean, with answering the questions as well, you need to practice in front of them. Do I sound authentic? Do I sound like a real person? Do I sound like I have experienced real problems and I have encountered some real stuff that real people actually go through? Do I sound like I have overcome challenges in life? Do I sound like I have good vision? Do I sound like I am on a mission to take over the world? Do I sound like a person that is trustworthy? Do I sound like a person that an entire community can rely on? You know, there's a lot that you need them to help you work on. So make sure your support system is solid. Learn how to use 45 seconds to lay out everything that you're about. Stop with those, I want to be an inspiration to young women, I am confident and I'm beautiful inside and out, what else? I want to be hope for younger women, that they can achieve what they want. No, stop with that. Stop it. It's not, the judges don't want to hear that. We want to know who you are. What are you about? What do you do? What do you want to do? What are you already doing? What do you need the title to do for you? You don't even have to answer your questions in this particular format, but we need to grasp all of those things that I just mentioned from whatever you say. Answering any question that you are asked. The function of the talent section at a beauty pageant is just so that the judges can see you live outside your comfort zone. Give them a taste of you outside the formality, outside the makeup, outside the dress up, the beautiful hair. That's what they want to see. So when you showcase your talent, do it with absolute passion, show a lot of love for it, and give it a lot of personality, because that is what the judges want to see. And also pick something that is interesting, man, something different. Stay away from dancing, the pouncing cat. Don't know if that's even how you do it, but stay away from such. Stay away from something that they can wake up and see on their TVs that anyone can do. So if you're gonna be dancing, it better be some ballet, contemporary, or your cha-cha-cha, ballroom dancing kind of dancing. But it better be bomb. Yes, a beauty pageant is a competition, but I would like to urge you to see it as a space where you interact with driven women who can inspire you to be even more driven than you already are. You get to interact with women who have different goals, who are doing different things, who are in different fields, who are exploring different spaces, and that energy itself should just inspire you to be an even better version of yourself, to want better, to want to do better, to want to achieve more. And most importantly, it's a space for you to have fun, to have tons of fun, because The activities that come with being a part of a beauty pageant, I promise you, they are super fun. Have fun, create relationships, and learn, because my darling, you chose a phenomenal career path. Be good to everyone. You lose nothing by being nice to people. Plus, you might just need them to pick you as Miss Personality or Miss Congeniality or whatever the Miss Personality Award is being called at your pageant. But be good to everyone. Be nice to people as much as you can. But don't be a pushover. Don't be a pushover. Don't be a mat that everyone and anyone can just walk over. Don't be a playground that anyone can just come and play on and pass over as much as they like, however they want, okay? But stay humble. More than anything in the world, be humble. The judges can see that you also want to be a humble person, because being humble can take you a very, very long way in this industry. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment in the comment section, give me a huge thumbs up, and definitely come back to this channel. I hope from the bottom of my heart that you enjoy your time as a beauty pageant queen. Mwah!